If you're looking for high-quality vitamin and supplement insurance that won't break the bank, you've come to the right place. Here at Insurance Canopy, we help you get the coverage you need quickly and at a competitive rate. Our policies are designed for individuals or businesses selling their own health and wellness dietary products, including manufacturers, wholesalers, retailers, importers, online sellers, fitness professionals, and distributors. If a product you sell, design, or produce leads to bodily injury or property damage, you could be named in a lawsuit. Let's say a customer gets sick from your product and sues, or some faulty packaging causes a liquid to leak and stain the surface. Your insurance may help pay for medical bills, repair costs, or legal fees. We can insure most ingestible or topical herbal products like vitamins, energy and protein supplements, nutraceuticals, compounded and non-compounded herbs, oils and teas, sports drinks, body cleansers, and topical creams. Our vitamin and dietary supplement insurance includes general liability and product liability policies. We also offer a variety of additional coverage options to help protect other aspects of your business, such as your supplies and inventory or any customer information you might store online. Most importantly, vitamin liability insurance helps to lower or eliminate the cost of claims you are responsible for. Ready to insure your business? Apply for a free quote online today at insurancecanopy.com.